let's have a review on Katalist AI. Katalist AI is a creative platform that helps writers, filmmakers, and content creators turn scripts and ideas into virtual storyboards using artificial intelligence. It's designed to automate visuals from text and organize them into a story format, which is useful for pitching, planning, teaching, or marketing. So you can search for Katalist AI and then you will find the official website. You need to click on it and then you can go with Get Started Now, which will be in the top right, or you can type free, which will be on the bottom, or go with sign in, which will be in the top right if you already have an account. You can continue with your Google if you don't have an account. Select your Google account and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and your account will be created. It will sign you in. Just wait for a few seconds. Once done, you will get this kind of interface. Now you can go with new project, which will be in the top right, and you can generate from idea or script, or you will have a blank project. Some pros about this Katalist AI is it can turn ideas into visuals much faster than doing manual storyboards. It's user-friendly. Many reports say the interface is simple to navigate and even beginners find it easy to use. You can upload your script, go with generate, and it will generate your script if you don't have a script. So you can drag and drop your script here, or you can type your script. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a boy riding a bike on a quiet road. You can go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and you will have your script breakdown. You can go with next, which will be on the bottom again. You can choose a style for your project. I'll go with a pencil drawing and then go with proceed to cast, which will be on the bottom again. Go with create project and it will create your projects. In this way, you'll be able to use Katalist AI. You will have a free plan with limited generation credits, and you will have a free trial lasting about 7 days with some credits included. And you will also have some paid options that vary by credits, users, and export capabilities. Katalist AI is appealing if you want to automate visual storytelling and save time on storyboards or concept visuals. Many users appreciate its ease and creative outputs, but online trust reviews are mixed, and some people report issues with service reliability and support. It's worth using the free trial first to see if it fits your workflow before buying a plan. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.